Hello guys! In this video, you will be entertained watching cooking tinola recipe. So, keep on watching until the end because I will be making shout out. Okay, let's check this first. Now it's ready. We will now put the malunggay leaves and petse. Wow, beautiful! And health delicious. Add also the lady finger. Cover for a while. Let's check it. Oh, it's ready. Okay, let's eat. Happy eating! Shout out to you because you've come this part of the video. I want to give shout out to the following: Angelica Bernardo Corpus Jennifer Perez Rina Gamana Malale Darren James Acosta Liesel de Fabricanten Horme Ali Erlinda Perez Gian Paulo de Raza I am Marshall Chantal Naples Norhaya Alam Ali. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Just keep on reacting, following, watching, commenting and sharing our posts. I will be giving shout out to others in the next video. Thank you, subscribe Teacher G.